We are going to the beach in the Split in Croatia.
And then look at this window straight over there. It's already the
I'll show you now.
It's 30 degrees Celsius and the tourists already back here. And we are in the Riva area.
Rivaria, showing you around. That's the architecture. Oh, something there is also so many nice stuff, and I can see already the blue water. And it's 30 degrees, sayang. So you must feel good with 30 degrees, no?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's have a look. Let's go. Whew. Better I work on this side of the street, already hot for me. Alright, eventually we can see the ocean again, the palm trees, no coconut trees, the proper palm trees. Some nice architecture, some nice weather. It's 30 degrees already, some bars, some ocean. I'm gonna show you around. The monkeys are back, at least for a few days, filming something new. If you don't like Poland, maybe you will like Croatia today. We came from this street and from the city. Maybe I will film on the white land. So this is the main promenade here in Split in Croatia. You can see the palm trees and everything, the water, some cruise ships, some catamarans, some chairs, tourists, Croatian flag, architecture. Quite a lot of German sign here actually. And that's the nice promenade. I think we're gonna go through the palm trees, eh? Let's have a look. And let's see closer to the water, baby. What do you think first impressions, eh? You like it?
Nice.
You like it?
Very nice.
Let's go. The guy gonna play on the guitar and stuff. We use our umbrella because this is our survival hack.
You know that you're married Asian, love and hate of the sun at the same time.
Yeah, love and hate sun at the same time. Sorry for the wind, we don't use microphones because we're easy going today, ne? We're not doing this like, you know, only main about the YouTube. I like palm trees since been a while. What do you think about the palm tree different between the coconut tree?
Baby, let's enjoy.
You fight with your umbrellas, eh? Nice. Let's go have a look. The guy chilling. The water. Cheyenne.
It's too hot.
You said it's too hot, not me.
Too hot.
Too hot. You heard that? 30 degrees too hot, eh? No tak? Okay, I will stay under the umbrella when we filming. Nice. There's cruise ship. Woo! Broken. Gone.
So what I see here is that, you know, spot many people from different countries, especially this is like an international tourist destination, right?
Yeah.
And then I heard that this Croatia, especially Split area, is very famous because of the Mamma Mia movies that takes place.
What movie time?
Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia, they film here? Not in Greece?
No.
Nice. Alright, let's go to the water, Sam. Let's go to the water, see what's going on. Generally, pretty nice spot, I'm gonna tell you. Saying don't jump.
No.
How's the water clean?
Very nice, clean blue. You see even the fish here.
Not bad.
And here you can sit, you can go to the three famous islands, but I'm not sure where.
So you don't have a microphone, so you have to speak like this. Wait a second.
So actually that you, from that one, you can go to the three islands, and the most famous one, Far, Ras, I forgot the name.
The three islands.
Yes. Yeah, so mostly this one is the spot, the tourist spot.
Nice. Alright. Let's go. Let's film a little bit more, huh? So you can get a boat here actually, many cruise tickets. Right? This is it, how it is. But nobody asks you to buy anything. But nobody asks you to buy anything. You want, you buy. You don't want, you don't buy.
You just have your own time.
That's it. Simple as that. So that's good. That's how does it look like. Split, Croatia. Split or split?
Split.
Split? No split. Alright.
Yes, that's the tour.
Join us for some information.
Yeah. Actually, they want to.
Polish.
Spanish, sí, sí, sí.
Polish.
Hi. Here 60 euros with lunch and break.
Actually, they start selling.
But it's okay.
It's okay. This is funny.
Business is business.
Business is business. That's it. Actually, there is not too many YouTubers like in other places. That's why maybe we making attention little bit. No? Little bit, actually, I have to say. Because when they notice us, we actually filming and this one, they started doing it.
Start selling.
That's it. But it's cool, anyways. And it's quite a lot of people here. I think some big tours. I will show you. So I can see more and more people here. This is actually nice architecture. People enjoying everywhere. There is the doggo. This one. Where we go, Sang? Let's go that direction. Let's see. So we are walking actually in the area over here.
This is like panoramic shoot. Actually, even the voice is not clear, it's okay. At least that you can enjoy it.
At least you can see that. Right. This is it. And they are actually harbors and there is some islands behind. Nice. Nice, man. Actually, the wind is nice, no?
No, it's not that hot. It's not that humid.
Not humid, no? You can see the nice panorama of the city. Look at this one, nice there. Cruise ship approaching, Croatian flag, one more time. This is actually big cruise ship. I think he will dock here maybe. And that's the nice panorama of the city. Gonna zoom it a little bit for you actually, it's even better like this one. Slow shot. This is it. Actually very nice here. Pretty.
Very nice.
Very nice, approved. Cool. Yo, what's up?
It's in Split, Croatia, 30 degrees. So we show you how it is. It's windy, but yes, the panoramic view from the river Split.
Very nice area, harbor front, beach front actually.
Ocean.
Blue ocean, old town in Croatia. If you don't know where it's Split, it's nice. And it's 30 degrees as Winnie said, so what we can ask for more, right? Let's go.
Kohane, look at this.
Very nice, isn't it?
Oh. Wow. Here, blue ocean. Nice promenade, river promenade. Beautiful.
Where we are? Let's go to.
Inside. I don't know where it is. I think this one is the cathedral.
No tak, let's go. No tak. Alright, so we are somewhere inside. Nice architecture and everything. So I am enjoying, I can see. It's something new for Winnie for sure. Nice. Actually, Croatia is nice. Oh, and they have a the Julius Caesar Rome Empire fighters. That's the fighters from the Roman Empire. Like you watch Asterix and Obelix?
Aha, yeah.
The Romans? Yeah. So cool, huh? Nice. Nice. So lovely, isn't it?
So look at this behind. The historical thing about the Roman Park.
I mean, the Croatia, long time ago, it belongs to the Roman Empire actually. So it was actually a lot of history. And generally, Croatia is a very historical place. So it's cool. Okay, let's go more. There are some ruins over there. Let's go. So that's how does it look like? Yes, sir. Let's go. Yeah, very nice. There are ruins actually here. That's true. That's the nice trip, isn't it? ice cream if you would like to have, and some nice ruins here. There are also so many small, very small alleys like this one. Actually, it's really tough. I mean, small, narrow. So here and there. Okay, let's go. We're walking, and we already found something nice Instagrammable place. Let's go. Where we walk? Dobra. Two. There is the alley and behind this guy. And there are people living here, so actually. There's cafes and people, huh? So, how do you feel walking on the small gangs? Let's say alleys.
So many nice restaurants.
No tak. It's actually beautiful, isn't it? Nice. Have to say it's nice. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. There's actually quite a lot of Polish people also here. No. Yes. It's hot. I think it's time for having some drink. Let's find the beach again. I mean the promenade, yeah? And let's have some.
By the beach, no?
Let's sit by the beach and have some drink. Like, I saw they have a radlers here, so maybe we can have some Croatian radler. No tak, because we are like a budget traveler sitting on the floor like this one, having sushi. I don't know why actually we might have a sushi, yeah?
I feel like I want to eat sushi. And I don't find a sushi restaurant here, so...
We're gonna have sushi from this bar. And on the other side, there is the palm tree. Oh, like this one. Oh, you got dizzy now. But that's how does it look. And the beach is there. And I just realized they have some sort of tuk-tuks here for the tourists actually. A little bit bigger than this one in Thailand, but they are called tuk-tuk also. And this is where we started actually. We show you the old town and everything, the boats. Sorry.
The lady behind Damian.
Lady behind Damian. And now we're going to that direction. All right, let's go somewhere there. Oh, yeah. So there's like a park, little bit, some harbor for the smaller boats, some architecture, like some buildings, and I don't know actually where we're going. There's supposed to be a restaurant. There's another part of the split promenade called B, right? Oh. You have the toilet here actually, ambassador hotel, stuff like this one, like a more local vibe. Still tourist but local. Make sense? Okay, let's go have a look what we can find here. Hey, a nice view behind you actually.
Look at this, Bridget.
No tak.
Mountain, blue ocean.
No tak.
Wow. Make it zoom.
Nice panorama actually. The mountains in the behind. Pretty nice, isn't it? Blue Adriatic Sea. A nice also building actually here. I think we could go up. It's hot, science. I don't know, and I don't know what is there, but it looks nice, no?
Let's go.
Where? I don't know. Alright, yeah. Speaking, there was the main promenade with the main harbor and the old town. Like here, seems like there is some nice hotel actually. So you look nice in your scarf. Different style today, no? Not that. It's hot. There are some nice hotels here actually. Definitely less people. Definitely there is the bigger ship and stuff. Oh, there's nice yachts actually, Saya, at the front. Let's have a look. Enjoying Croatia so far, Saya? Sayang, nice restaurants here. You don't need to go to Bali to experience like this, no?
Everything is in Europe, no?
Everything. That's the thing. Basta. Seems Spanish. Nice seating arrangement. I wanna see the yachts and Marina, actually. But I gotta tell you, it's hot.
It is.
Isn't it? But it's nice. For sure. So that's the situation. Some nice yachts. Let's have a look into Marina a little bit. Definitely less people come here already.
Quiet, look behind. So many giraffe. Maybe. Quiet. Maybe.
I'm fighting with umbrella.
Maybe if you wanna be a, what what is it? Operator over there, which used to
Crane?
Croatia.
No tak.
Operator.
Because I will have a nice view from the top, you know, to the...
It close by the ocean, and the thing is that it means like the Croatia tourism is really on the hot height, kind of like that nowadays.
That's true.
Kohanye, let's have a coffee stop.
With nice view.
Kohanye, look behind you. That it's Polish flag, no?
Polish and Croatian flag, yeah, that's true. See, Polish people also know how to enjoy their life.
Yeah, travel a lot.
No tak?
And then we should have our beer or coffee here, no?
No tak.
Coffee with the view, and behind you the construction. No.
But behind you is the nice view actually.
No. Oh, nice. Very nice.
And what we are doing, coffee break.
You know, I got headache already.
It's so hot for you, sir. It's enjoyable with the breeze and the wind, yeah? Alright, we have a coffee, cappuccino with the nice view of the Dubrovnik, yachts, Marina in the background, Polish ship by the way, Polish flag there. Yeah. How's the coffee in Croatia?
So strong.
Strong, no, nice, yeah? No. Cool. And nice view. No tak, sir. Nice, isn't it? You want a picture? No. We're going back to the parking lot and check this out. So nice view actually here, some other side of the city and everything. Let's go. That's where was the promenade. That's where we were. Okay. Let's go that way now. Let's have a look. So I have a sharp eye, notice something nice, Instagrammable, picturesque. No tak. Look at this. Restaurant sport. Looks decent, no? And this is the promenade, actually what we came here from the parking lot. We parked somewhere called Joker place or mall, whatever. I'm gonna show you now a little bit side of the city. Right, Sam? This is a little bit of the older architecture here in Split. But I think the most about the architecture science is Zada, the Dubrovnik actually. Which we're gonna
go
next. The last day in Croatia, no? Meanwhile, that's how the stuff look like here. We are going here into small street little bit because there's some restaurants. It's the Asian restaurant, but also this cross, 36 degree actually. Crazy. Yes? No tak, very nice, isn't it? This is like a street with the restaurants and more foodie street, no? Canton Paulina. Souvenir shop. Actually nice. And so many little streets like this one, you go there. And then like this one. Cool.
And I decided to order one prosciutto focaccia bread here, and look at this bread, so fresh and big portion, and the queue is so long.
Actually we ordered focaccia here because so many young people eating.
And then the portion is so big.
No tak.
Oh la la, what do you have, Kohanye?
We're gonna have a focaccia as the lunch. Fresh. I nearly dropped it. Prosciutto with the mozzarella cheese
No.
and everything, genuine stuff.
No, poile?
12 euro all, but it's nice.
Smacznego.
Let's go. Okay.
And the kiwi like this.
My red skin already on the face. Cooling down in the mall. Really enjoying her ice cream. Glad there are malls here with aircon, no?
I love more.
So this is the parking situation on one of the beach. There are the mountains. We park our car there, and this is like old what? Not tank, no, like for the fighting. This is like for the whatever. Forgot the English name because I already feel hot. We're going to the beach. Let's have a look around. Pretty busy. 5 p.m. Some people already enjoy the time by the beach, cliff rocking, jumping. We're going to see some beach finally, proper one. Some people, they climbing there, they jumping from the cliff. There are some cabanas. Saying this is a little bit like Uluwatu. Beach club, no?
This one is beach club.
No tak. Bali style, Thailand style.
Let's go there.
Ooh, nice. Let's see the beach. Let's see. It's hot at this beach. And you can park here and be here. Cool. The beach there, very nice lagoons. Eh?
Nice.
Outside, on the other side, there is some island. Water. Nice vibes. Clean water, that's the most important thing. That's the vibe. Nice. So, lubisz? You like it?
Oh, you can walk over there as well, which is
Yeah, there. We can walk all the way there. Actually, yeah. Nice.
Right, so we just arrived in the Kash June beach and this is how it looks. So pretty. But this one is not very sandy, but yes, look at the quality of the water. Nice blue. And yes, it's pretty.
And that's the vibe actually on the beach, I gotta tell you. Pretty enjoyable. And a very nice landscape actually, this nice lagoon. Fact is there is the rocky stones, the beach is not sandy, it's rocky. But generally speaking, it's actually
Nice.
pretty nice. You love beach?
Nice,
Not bad.
nice.
And look at the color of the water by the way, so nice. Winnie is doing the wanna wash her feet. Hopefully she's not gonna fall in. She got it. I wonder if the water is cold for her. Maybe not. The guy is carrying the drinks. And that's the certain club. Maybe there we can sit, no?
No.
Let's have a look. And that's overall the vibe here. We want to go there somewhere. But generally it's pretty nice here, I have to say. Very enjoyable. Right now it's Tuesday, around 5:30 p.m. Nice. Sayang. Do you like it here? You enjoy it? The only thing is there is no white sand beach, no?
It's not like a powderish sand. It's just like what should I say? Stone, pebble stone.
Well, after that it's nice. No tak. Let's see this barla. Nice vibes. Let's go. Sound of the ocean, Saya. But the water is actually pretty clear, I have to say. Co? No tak.
Actually, but the thing is that, like I told you, it's not like powderish sand, and still people come here and enjoy the beach here. It's so nice, not so crowded, especially at this spot over there where the beach club more crowded.
No tak. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you, it's been a while when we were so active. And to be honest, start feeling tired already.
So the heat,
The
we used to with the cold, now coming summer, I thought
Again.
easily, get tired with the heat.
No tak.
Yeah, it's nice, beautiful, beach actually, and there are two kind of the restaurant or beach club or something like that. But what I see is that mostly in the cabana is that not many people in the cabana. I don't know if you compare with the Bali beach club. Bali beach clubs is a lot.
No tak.
And mostly
That's the
occupied,
difference.
but here is not many. When people, just prefer to just lay down on the beach and enjoy the time. So yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah, we are still
For the first day.
still we have a full day tomorrow here, so we will show you something cool. Then we're gonna go to Dubrovnik
Yeah.
and then to Rome as well. So see ya. What is this plant, eh?
I don't know.
This is something totally different, no? Look at this. Different. Nie mam pojęcia. I have no idea. Nice. Let's go. Let's go.